Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a number machine question. The keywords in the question, you're told you've got a number machine, and this diagram that you can see underneath is the number machine. So going across tells you the starting value and going to the end. That's what a number machine means. So you've got a starting bit of information and you go across and you get to an answer. And this tells you how many diagonals different shapes have. So for example, the triangle has got 3 vertices. We times it by 0, so 3 times 0 is nothing. Divide it by 2, still gives me nothing. So the answer is 0 for the number of diagonals a triangle has. A quadrilateral has got 4 vertices. A quadrilateral, remember, is any 4-sided shape. We multiply 4 by 1, gives me 4. Divided by 2 gives me 2, and that tells me the number of diagonals of a quadrilateral. A pentagon has got 5 vertices. We're going to times it by 2, divide it by 2. So 5 times 2 is 10, divided by 2 takes me back to 5, and that is the number of diagonals of that shape. You've got to complete the number machine for the octagon, which is written here. You've got to fill in these 4 boxes for 1 mark. So your key facts. You need to look for patterns. So if you look down as you're coming down here, what patterns do you spot to be able to help you work out the number of diagonals? You need to know what the word vertice means. So the vertice is the corner. So on a triangle, it is the corners of the shape. So there are 3 corners on a triangle, 4 corners on a quadrilateral, and there are 5 corners on a pentagon. It is the same as the number of sides of the shape. Now the diagonal is a line that goes from one corner to another corner. Okay, and that's what you're trying to work out, the diagonal line going from one corner to another. So if you've got a quadrilateral, you see this square here is a quadrilateral because it's 4-sided. So going from here, crossing here, and then crossing the other way, I have got 2 diagonals on the quadrilateral. You need to know that an octagon has got 8 sides, and to help you remember that an octagon has got 8 sides, if you think about an octopus, that is how many legs the octopus has. That is the same as the number of sides on an octagon. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic work. So hopefully you've managed to fill in the 4 gaps down here. So an octagon, as I said earlier, has got 8 sides. And because it has got 8 sides, it means it has got 8 corners or 8 vertices. So an octagon is 8. Now we've got to look at the pattern here. So this is 0, 1, 2. It is increasing by 1 each time. So 0, 1, 2. It's not going to be 3 though, because if you look here, it goes 3, 4, 5, and then it jumps to 8. So we've got to do a jump the same as what has happened here. But there is a relationship between the number of vertices and this box here with the arrow. So 3 to get to 0, 4 to get to 1, 5 to get to 2. All of these have got something in common, so they are subtract 3. So 3 take away 3 is 0, 4 take away 3 is 1, 5 take away 3 is 2. So we've got to do the same here. 8 take away 3 is going to give me 5. All of these ones here say divide by 2. So in this box here, it's going to say divide by 2. We've now got to work out the answer to that and write it in the square. So 8 times 5 is 40, divided by 2. So 40 divided by 2 is the same as half of 40, which is just 20, and that will give you 1 mark in the exam. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answers are 8 times 5 divided by 2, 20 for 1m, which means 1 method mark. You need to get all boxes correct to be able to get the mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.